Hey, what's happening, world? My next review will be on the Varathane Polyurethane that I got at Home Depot. Okay, so this is what I usually buy often. So this is what I used to finish all my knife and sword stands. So I decided to do a simple review. This is just going to be like any other review. So here it is. So I got this at Home Depot, and I got the last one. A lot of it it's it's sold out. So I got the very last one, and I always get the satin finish. I always like the satin finish the most. So this is what I buy often. Oh, affordable price. Over $8. And this is a do-it-yourselfer. This is a do-it-yourself kind of job. So I use this to finish all my knife and sword stands that I built. I do have a review on those if you come across it. And this is like any other. This is your basic build-it-yourself kind of thing. Well, I decided to do a critic review on this. Why not? So this is the Varathane Polyurethane clear satin finish. This is what I always get often, and I'm very good with woodwork. I only make small things, so this is for small projects only. And let me show you another good stand here. So here's another stand that I built. So I used that to finish this. Very simple. It takes about 8 hours to dry. Yeah, here's another one of my stand bases again. Yeah, everybody knows how to do this. Oh, and again, I got this at Home Depot, very cheap, 30 cents. Made out of a garden stake. So I got this at Home Depot too, a little while back. Alright, and it hasn't been used yet. I just got it just a little while ago. Yeah, it hasn't been sprayed on yet, but I'm gonna use it sometime the next day. And there you go, it hasn't been used yet again. So I just decided to do a good review on this, just to show you what I use often. So I just make small things. That's it. I only build small racks. So this is just for your small projects. So you can get these at Home Depot for over $8. That's how much I got it for. Totally affordable. Good finish. I always like the satin again. So I'm going to be using this like probably the next day. So I'll be using this a lot. Okay, so there you go. I gave you a good critic review on the Varathane Polyurethane satin finish that I got at Home Depot. So I'll be using this sometime later. Okay, so that concludes my review. Well, if you come across it, let me know what you think. Drop a line, subscribe, and thank you for watching.